Elizabeth Hartman's quilt patterns are known for their whimsical charm and playful designs. Her creations bring a smile to quilters' faces with adorable animals and vibrant scenes. Today we're exploring free Elizabeth Hartman quilt patterns that showcase her signature style. First up is the Breeze Quilt pattern. This modern design features eye-catching geometric shapes and bold colors. Made with Kona cotton solids, it offers stunning visual texture. The pattern measures 62 by 70 inches and is perfect for beginners thanks to its easy piecing technique. Next, we have the Charm Squares quilt pattern. This versatile design works with 5-inch or 10-inch pre-cuts or scraps. It's available in 2 sizes, a sweet 33 by 40-inch baby quilt or a generous 71 by 85-inch twin bed quilt. The simple patchwork layout beautifully showcases your chosen fabrics. The 9-patch lattice quilt combines classic charm with modern simplicity. This fat, quarter-friendly pattern features 9-patch blocks framed by crisp sashing. At 38 by 53 inches, it's perfect for snuggling on the couch. The pattern includes easy-to-follow instructions with photos and diagrams, making it accessible for beginners. Lastly, the Berry Patch Quilt pattern brings the sweetness of summer to your home. This intermediate-level pattern features patchwork strawberries in various prints and colors. The finished quilt measures 42 by 35 inches, ideal for adding a touch of fruity fun to any room. Each pattern brings its own unique charm and personality to your quilting projects. Whether you're new to quilting or a seasoned pro, Elizabeth Hartman's patterns offer a perfect blend of creativity and accessibility. Her clear instructions and focus on traditional techniques make even intricate designs achievable. So why not dive into the world of Elizabeth Hartman quilts and bring her whimsical creations to life with your own personal touch? Want more Elizabeth Hartman quilt patterns to inspire your quilting journey? Unleash your creativity with the inspiring collection of Elizabeth Hartman quilt patterns at ilovequiltingforever.com.